In this video, I'm going to show you how to change citation style in Zotero. Now, first of all, I don't think there's a way to actually do this inside Zotero itself, but once you are opening your document inside, for example, Microsoft Word, you can of course do this inside here, whatever document you are trying to edit. So just have some text on here and then go to Zotero tab up top, click on add/edit citation, and then for the first time you open a document, it's gonna basically allow you to select your document preferences. Now, here for the first time, of course, for the first citation, you'll have to select which citation style you would like to use. So these are all the ones that are available, and for this instance, I'm gonna go with the APA 7th edition, and then you can also select your language and advanced options over here if you want to. Now, after you've done this, press OK. And then, of course, as usual, you will see this little box over here with which you can then insert your citations. Now, if you want to actually change the citation style in Zotero, once you've already edited your document and already have some content in here, what you're going to have to do is, again, go to Zotero tab, click on Document Preferences, and this exact same window will open, and you can essentially just select a different citation style, and then press OK, and then you will be good to go. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.